Honestly, April has kind of snuck up on me this year. There's just been so much going on. So today I want to share a super quick and easy yet cute bullet journal setup for April. I'm a bit lazy this month, so I'll be using stamps and coloring them in rather than creating designs from scratch. And because April is the month of Easter and also the month of the Eucharist, I thought it would be really fitting to use this cute lamp stamp this month, coupled with some spring florals and bright colors. I drew inspiration from this design a little bit, so I started by drawing the word April onto my cover page, and as always I'll be using my mild liners as well as some other brush pens. And I'm just going to go over the letters again to thicken them, especially the downstrokes, to get that pretty calligraphy style effect. Then I'm going to go in with my marker and just add some color to the design. This is just super quick and easy if you're in a bit of a rush like I am this year, because look at the date, April is 3 days. So I really had to get this video on the road. And then I'm also adding a mock shadow with this salmon pink marker. I just love the way the light green and the warm pink go together, so springy and cute. As always, I'm dedicating my cover spread according to the monthly devotions, which is something I've talked about in previous videos. If you're curious to know what that's all about, check out the video in the corner after this one. Moving on to the next page, I'm going to do a month at a glance calendar setup. Just straightforward grid, and as always I'll be starting my week on Sundays. And then we're adding this beautiful flower pot stamp. And then I'm adding little circles of color, alternating pink and green, to add the date. I did mess up a little here, but luckily it was fixable with plenty of whiteout. And coloring it in as always. There's also some space left here for my goals, so I just added these little arrows for my goals section. I tried to give a more artsy effect by leaving the highlight white and adding some deeper orange shading on one side. Next up is our habit tracker. pretty much same as always. I couldn't be bothered to draw out little calendar silhouettes for each and every habit, so I'm just going to be using these little bar-shaped habit trackers and just crossing off each day as I go along. So in total there should be 30 little squares for you to cross off, and I'm using the pink background for this. Pretty straightforward stuff, but again I had to change some stuff around to work with the flower design. Moving on to the weekly spreads, I'm using a horizontal layout this month, which is unusual for me. And again, I'm alternating green and pink for the titles. In this video, I'm showing the setup for the first full week of April, since the month starts on a Tuesday, so I'll have a part week spread before that. And I thought it would be nice to write the word April in all different colored letters. At this point I remembered that I initially wanted to add rainbows to my April design this year. I know. Duh! But I had completely forgotten up until this point, so I decided to add a little rainbow here on my spread coming out from behind the flower pot. And then adding my lamp underneath the rainbow. Overall, I think this is quite a good design actually, but it was pretty much unintentional. The following week is the week before Easter, Holy Week, so I adapted my design a little bit by using different appropriate colors, such as red for Palm Sunday and Good Friday and gold for Easter, and then also adding a little wreath stamp with the words Happy Easter inside to the bottom right part of my weekly spread. And now for the final flip through. I definitely did mess up more than usual this month, but regardless, I think the design came out really cute and I can't wait to use it. I hope this video inspired you to set up your own bullet journal for April. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed it. We'd love to have you, and until next time.